this is all going to be right here. Don't really love me, Adrian.
I'm terribly sorry, but there seems to be some sort of misunderstanding.
Well, you can come up with it now, so you don't have to do all the old annoyed bluffle stuff and carry on for our benefit.
I'm afraid I don't understand.
Oh my God, he's a natural.
Well, I did tell him not to send his real one.
Well, he wants to know by now. The phone is much easier to handle. Still, he's a good type. We'd like you to give us your opinion on some clothes for teenagers.
Oh, by all means, I'd be quite prepared for that eventuality.
Well, what's your real opinion, naturally? It's written out in your way.
Of course I can.
I mean, rhymes, Ducky. Can you handle rhymes?